சூப்பர் அங்கிள், செம்ம. அப்படியே போயிருங்க. சூப்பர், செம்ம.
I'm Chandrasekhar. I'm from Sydney, Australia. Basically, I was struggling from osteoarthritis due to my obesity. I was trying various options back home, and finally, I met my knee surgeon in first week of September, and he said, "Your both knees are struggling to bear your weight, and we might have to do a knee replacement in another 2 to 5 years." Then I was a bit concerned, and then I spoke to my family, and then decided to take other options. Then I thought about, I was reading what are other options, and then I stumbled across naturopathy. Why don't we try naturopathy? That was my first thought. Then I was remembering my family friend back in OT, Dr. Malini. So I spoke to her, and she was more welcoming me to come to OT, and she told she's working in a place called Deccan Resort, and that has a holistic center called Soma. So basically, she said you should do at least a 30-day package. Then I thought I'd come down and try that option, because that is more holistic and a sustainable way. Then I came here around 28th of September. Then I was really impressed with the facility and the people around here. And a special mention goes at when welcomed very nicely by the general manager and the reception staff, Mr. Kannan, everyone. And I had a fantastic stay here to register that I would like to, because I was taken care, the hotel rooms were fantastic and everything was good around. The ambience, needless to say, it was excellent. And coming to the treatment part, I was assessed. When I came here, my weight was about 111 kilos, and after 26 days of treatment, my weight stands around 100 kilos now. And the major difference is, when I came from Australia, I was coming in a wheelchair in all the Arab flights throughout from Sydney to Chennai. And now a major improvement. I can walk, I can really walk a couple of rounds in this hilly areas. That's a major improvement, and apart from a sustainable weight loss. And coming to the treatment part, the fantastic treatment, excellent care taken by the staff here. Special mention to go to Dr. Jayant and Adi and Tilaka, who has been excellent, and he's been always forthcoming, needless. Even if they have to come at around 7:30, they were more willing to come and help me, which I felt I never missed my home, being away from home and missing my family. And dietitian, again, like Mr. Subhash, who has been cooking food for me, he's very dedicated and has been not even a single day they missed the time of the scheduled time given by Dr. Malini. And coming to Dr. Malini's guidance, and even though sometimes I get irritated because she's so tough on me, don't eat this, don't eat this, but it has been good. Now the result is showing I could walk after struggling to walk even. I have a young son who's 10-year-old and he's a cricketer, and now I'm happy to go back and play with him. That is a major win for me, and certainly I will recommend to people to come and take this option, and would like to thank profusely Dr. Malini for giving this entire rehabilitation package with utmost dedication, and they were even forthcoming. Even time is not a barrier for them. They have been always forthcoming. Would like to thank them sincerely. The entire team of Soma here has been fantastic, and I'm happy to go back walking upright. Thank you for this help.